Good morning, class. Today we are going to start with the exercise 13.2. It is based on the questions combination of solids and their volumes that we discussed yesterday. So let's start with the first question. What does the first question says? A solid in the shape of cone standing on the hemisphere. A cone standing on the hemisphere. As you can see in the figure, cone is on the top and base is hemisphere, with both their radii being 1 centimeter. Radius is 1 centimeter and height of the cone is equal to radius. Means if radius is 1 centimeter, height is also 1 centimeter. We have to find the volume in terms of pi. Volume in terms of pi means we are not supposed to put the value of pi. So volume. What will be the volume? First write down the idea. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. As you already know, what is the formula for volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Now put the values 1 upon 3. We are not supposed to put the value of pi. 1 upon 3 pi, r is 1 square, height is also 1, plus 2 upon 3 pi, r is 1 cube. What we are left with? Pi upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 pi. Now adding them, what you will get? 3 pi upon 3. 3 cancels with 3 and the answer is pi. Pi centimeter cube. This was question number 1, the basic question of this exercise. Now coming to the next question, what they are saying, a student, Rachel of engineering student, wants to make a model shaped like cylinder with 2 cones. Like cylinder is here and 2 cones on both the ends are there. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter and height of both the cones is 2 centimeter. We need to find the volume of this model. Volume. First write down the idea. Volume will be volume of this cylinder plus, look, both the cones are identical, means both the cones are of same dimensions. So it will be 2 into volume of cone. Why I have put 2? Because 2 same cones are there. So instead of finding the volume twice, we will double the volume of one cone. Volume of cylinder, it is pi r square h. Now look, here we are using height of cylinder and height of cone. So we will write it as h1 and h2. h1 as the height of cylinder and h2 as the height of cone. So h1 plus 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square h2. Why we are writing r? Because radius is same in both the cases. Diameter was 3. So radius will be 3 upon 2 centimeter. Now can you tell me the height of cylinder? The complete length of the model is 12. This is 2. From here this is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So height of the cylinder will be 8 centimeter. Height of the cylinder means h1. And what about h2? Height of cone, that is 2. So before putting the value, what we will do? We will take the things that are common. As you can see, pi r square is common. What we are left with? h1 plus 2 upon 3 h2. Now put the values. 22 upon 7. R is 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2. Square was there. h1 is height of cylinder, means 8 plus 2 upon 3 into height of cone is 2. From here we will get 2 upon 7. 22 upon 7 multiply by 3 upon 2 multiply 3 upon 2 in bracket. Solving this, 2 into 2, 4. It will be 28 upon 3. Now solving this, you will get the answer as 66 centimeter cube. 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, 3 cancels and this cancels here. and it will give you the answer 66 centimeter cube. Now coming to the next question. Next question is actually a very interesting question. This involves a gulab jamun in the shape that I have drawn. The gulab jamun contains 30% syrup, and there are total 45 gulab jamuns. You can read the question from your book as well. You need to find the volume of syrup in the gulab jamun. First of all, total length is given 5. On both the ends, hemispheres are there. Diameter is given 2.8 centimeter. If diameter is 2.8, what will be the radius? Radius will be 1.4 centimeter. Now what will be the height of cylinder? 1.4 from this side, 1.4 from this side. 1.4 plus 1.4, 2.8, and total height is 5. So this length will be 2.2 centimeter. Now we need to get the volume. Volume will be equal to volume of cylinder plus, again what we will do? We will do twice volume of hemisphere. Twice volume of hemisphere. Now put the values. Volume of cylinder, pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere, 2 into 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Anything common? Yes, pi r square is common. What we are left with? H plus 4 upon 3 r. Now get the value of this. After putting the value, you will get 22 upon 7. R is 1.4. Means 1.4 into 1.4 in bracket. H of height of cylinder 2.2 plus 4 upon 3. R is again 1.4. When you are going to solve this, you will get 25.05 centimeter cube. You need to get the volume up to 2 decimal places. This is the volume of 1 gulab jamun. So volume of 45 gulab jamuns will be 45 into volume of 1, that is 25.05, and this will give you 45 gulab jamuns were there, 45, and this will give you 1127.25 centimeter cube. This will be the volume of 45 gulab jamuns. Now syrup, volume of syrup will be equal to 30%. They are saying in the question that 30% of total will be the syrup. So 30 upon 100 into, what is the volume? 1127.25. Solving this, and you will get 338.18 centimeter cube, or you can say 338 centimeter cube approx. Approx means we are not getting the exact value, we just have the approximate value. So this is how you are going to do question number 3 of your exercise 13.2.